Hello, and today we're going to look at the pruning of an Olearia scilloniensis. It's an early summer flowering shrub, and as you can see of the shrub here, the flowers are over, and what we're going to do is we're going to prune it back slightly to encourage more growth, which will harden off during the winter and produce flowers in the next summer. I'm going to start by just taking back some of the old flowering shoots back to a couple of nodes to encourage new growth from the old wood. As you can see, it's flowered here, and I'm just nipping it back with my secateurs to some new growth which is shooted just below the flowering shoots. I'll do this repeatedly over the bush, and what I'm hoping to achieve here is not only just to tidy the bush up, but also to encourage growth from the old wood lower down the base of the plant. This plant is several years old now, and as you can see, it's a bit sparse of foliage at the bottom, and this is a common trait of these plants. The lower leaves lose a bit of light and then die off, which will result in, over time, a slightly leggy plant with the foliage and flowers on the top of it. And that's what we're trying to eradicate here by a little bit of summer pruning of the flowering shoots on the Olearia. This is the growth we want for next year to produce flowers, but we want it lower down the stem, and by trying to achieve this we will get a better balanced bush. As you know, Olearia scilloniensis is very good for coastal gardens. Here it is planted in the stock garden at Burncoose nurseries in very dry soil, so it's suitable to grow here, and hence with the summer we've had, you can see it's been very prolific in flowering. So all I'm doing now is tidying up the flower heads, throwing them on the floor to pick them up and compost them later on, to try and maintain a better shape of the plant for next year, and to encourage some lower growth further down the stem. Okay, and as you can see now that I've got towards the end of the pruning of this Olearia, and I've taken off some dead wood, I've taken off some quite dead wood, as you can quite see here, and I've reduced the size of this Olearia probably by 25% in height. Yes, you can see a few old dead flower heads left behind, but over time, if you shake the bush, they will drop off, and you will get, hopefully, a lot of nice new growth coming from lower down the plant. And here you can see this is the growth we want to encourage. And this here shoot, look at that. That's a lovely new shoot coming from right down by the base. And these are what we want to encourage to regenerate this bush so it can be very floriferous next year. There are several new shoots coming down from the bottom. These are the ones that we want to be prominent from the bush in years to come. I'm happy with that. Yes, you could tidy up the little bits forevermore, but as a general prune of the Olearia scilloniensis, this will do to give you a nice show next year.